Hello, boys and girls. Let's learn about short and long A. I will meet today three friends. Ah, ah, ah. Now my sound is ah. Short sound ah. I will meet another friend. Ah, ah, ah. I will be A. Now my sound changed to long A. Let's take example like in cake. This is A and this is my friend. So now I'm cake. Now I will meet my another friend. So now while I'm alone, I will be short A, which is ah, ah. Let's meet another friend. Ah, 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 ah. Now my sound is A. When I met him, hello. I'm A, long A, like in brain. Let's meet my third friend. Now I'm short. It's me long A. Now I'm A because I met my friend like in play.